Hi there, and thank you for clicking. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can look up your competitors' ads by using this tool. So I'm about to show you, but before I do, as you might be in the research step, maybe wondering what kind of ads you want to run, or what are your competitors doing? Maybe you want to be competitive in your industry. This is a good research tool to get you to the right process to what you need to do, but you're always going to maybe need a coach or someone to maybe give you better guidance. But this video is going to give you the right step into doing research on what the industry might be doing. So I'm going to bring you into the website and we'll get started here. If you haven't, subscribe to the video. If you want to see more content, I appreciate everyone who's been supporting the channel, as we're going to get right into it. So here we have my Facebook. When you log into Facebook, the reason why I get you to log into Facebook is there's two different ways. One, you can do it from the Facebook page, or two, you can go and do it from Google itself. So I'm going to show you from the Facebook page first. So let's say I'm typing in a competitor. So let's say I type in Nike. Okay, and I'm going to click on Nike. And I'm going to go to Nike's page. And if you scroll down on the left-hand side here, you're going to see page transparency. All right, so in the page transparency, you're going to click see all, and you're going to scroll down and you're going to go to ads library. And in the ads library, you're going to be able to see all your competitors' ads. Make sure that all is selected here, that you have all countries and all ads. You don't want to see political ads. And you want to go and you can see the type of ads they're doing. You can see what this learn more button is taking them to. So I can see it's taking them to the Nike store. And I can see that they're running some sort of campaigns, branded campaigns on this Tiana Taylor. And then they're running some, possibly some other language ads in different countries. And I can probably narrow down which countries those are. And I'm just taking a look at what is my competitors doing. So this is overall a big company. You could take a small company like, I don't know, let's say Mr. Lube, for example. That's here in Canada. That's an oil change company that I have an oil change company. And I can see some of them, they're offering free wiper blades with any oil change. I can just see the kind of ads they're running. I can see what kind of videos they're running and just get a glimpse of, okay, what kind of ads are they running? What kind of content are they running? What are they providing their value to their clients? How are they getting new clients? Do I want to compete with them on this offer? Do I want to try a different offer? How are they doing their branding? How are the videos done? Get a good idea of what is their messaging, branding, and maybe give you some ideas on what kind of offer you might want to create when you're advertising. So this is just to give you a little bit of research. It's a great research tool. So if you can't find the page, you can just go to Google and type in ads library, okay? And then it should be the first one where it's ads library Facebook, and you should get to the page right here. I am in Canada, so you can just select all here. And again, you select all ads, and then you can just go down. I have some of my clients here. I can see that, you can do research on any business. You can check out them on Instagram. You can check them out on Facebook. But this is how I do my research to see what competitors might be running. And then I can give clients, say, hey, maybe you should try this offer out. Maybe you should try that offer out. That's what I see is working for this competitor. Maybe we should try it out. So it's a good way to get you started on, okay, what kind of ads should you be running for your business? So once you use this tool, you kind of get in this planning stage, and it's a really good way to start planning your marketing campaigns. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I hope this video helped you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.